Today's a chill day. We just finished eating and we ate sushi. First time at a restaurant in Japan. So Megan got this one. It has a quail egg, it has eel, and there's a whole bunch of stuff underneath. And then I got this one. It has uni, fish eggs, and a whole bunch of stuff. Mine also has eel. It was very good. And they make it right in front of you.
Yay!
Yay! We're at the MUJI flagship store in Ginza. We just finished shopping and now we're at the cafe upstairs. So I got a cafe mocha iced and then Megan got iced matcha latte. Okay, we just went on a shopping spree at GU, their flagship store. And now we're walking back to the hotel to drop this off. Look how nice this building is. All right, we're here at Hotel Sunroute Ginza. We're gonna check it out.
It's our last day.
It's our last day, but let's see. So first, let's go to the bathroom. This is a bathroom, got a nice tub, shower, sink, very good toilet. Small trash can as always here in Japan. Let's go look at the bed. Nice. And you have a nice desk. And let's go to the window. Let's see the window. There's a view, but it's all right. To the sidewalk down below. And the service here in Japan is great. They give us nice pajamas. We put this over our pajamas. It's nice. Keeps us warm. And we control the air from right here. And Megan guessed that this was the on and off button, and she was right. Now we're gonna go eat some ramen. We're here at Tsujita, which Megan tells us it's a chain and they have it in Glendale.
Yeah, they have it at the Americana in Glendale. It's dipping ramen, skim in.
Yeah, so we ordered and now we're waiting in this line. This is our last dinner in Japan. She got the dipping noodles, the dipping ramen, and then I got just regular ramen. Time to eat. We're sending out our last postcards from the trip, and here we go. Bye. Hopefully they make it. Here we go. I got 2.
Uh-oh.
Let's try it again.
What happened?
I don't know. There's like something in the back there.
Oh. Also, we've been putting it on this side because it says letters and postcards. But then we just realized this side says international mail. So we'll see if they arrive.
Yeah, we either get them all or get none of them.
Yikes.
And that's it. We're heading out. We're flying back home today. Here we go. Bye, Japan. Can I say bye? Bye, Japan. All right, last meal in Japan. We're at the airport. We got udon, 980 yen each.
It's a massive bowl.
It's huge.